Hey guys, we are back with what, Carson? Tell them. We're excited about
The
this.
big Chamoy pickle kit.
We got a Chamoy pickle.
We got it off of Etsy, whatever it's called.
Etsy is where we got this, and it comes with all kinds of stuff that you can put on your pickle. So we're going to try it today.
Oh, I'm putting
What is
watermelon.
This one says Chamoy on it. Oh, this is the powder.
Yeah, that's that Chamoy powder.
Put some powder. Some extra. You
Different
want to put some of
everywhere.
these on it?
Yeah.
Here we go. They're not good. You want to try it with?
So that they like stab them in like that.
We'll put this on it this time. Ready?
Put a little bit of that powder in the middle.
Here, put a little tahini. Want a little tahini?
Tahinis. I'm scared.
Ready? Let's go. Now all I taste is the chalky. How about you? I don't even taste anything else. Actually, it's not bad with the chalky, I don't think.
Yeah, but it tastes weird.
It is weird, guys. Some of those videos that make it look like it tastes really good, I don't think it does.
Look at my teeth now.
I know, we're red. We look like vampires. You want fruit roll up around it?
Mm-hmm.
Carson's going for the grand slam here.
Everything's on there.
a big
Except
bite.
that Chamoy, whatever.
Okay, it's messy.
Ooh.
Take it. Come on, you can do it. Get all of it in there. Did you get any pickle? Get a little bit of pickle.
Mm-hmm.
You did? Is it good?
Mm.
It is good. Not even gonna lie, it's not a fan of that pickle. You liked it. You would get it again?
No.
No. No. All right, so the Chamoy pickle, we did it. We conquered it. Big mess. It is not that good.
Rated a 5 out of 10.
You're going to rate it a 5 out of 10? I'd probably give it a 3. It's not good. Maybe a 2. Maybe even a 1. All right, we're done with this challenge. On to the next, Carson. Leave it.